make it tastier and to prevent the fishy taste. Then add a slice of garlic and ginger and some of minced fresh dill and sliced lemon on top. I will add butter, and that butter will become the juice of this salmon dish, and bake for 40 minutes to 45 minutes in a very low flame. If you have an oven with numbers like 1 2 3, so put it in number 1. And if you have an oven with 160 to 210 numbers, just put it in the 170 degrees. And that's it, it's already done. This recipe is very delicious and tasty, healthy and less fats. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you and God bless.